completely packed. But and that's the place. It properly. You know, there is the best before date.
He's enjoying.
See yourself in the mirror there.
Cleaning शुरू है. Hi guys, welcome back to Life with the Sequeras. So beautiful weather today. आम्ही just उठलो आहे तिघही आणि since you all know our cook is not coming for the past 2-3 days. She's gone to her native place. So it's time for us to cook now.
And honestly, with her not being around, we are spending way too much money.
And we are missing her.
Yeah,
And I try, baby also tries to cook, but
the thing is, we are busy with other things at the moment. We have bank work, we have our brother's wedding as well. So we are right now caught up with all those.
And we have our regular work also.
Work as well. Yeah, giving back to Charlie Coco. Lot of things
work
happening.
But anyway, now it's time to cook breakfast. And we are just keeping it simple for breakfast, right? Some
simple. So no
bread butter or cheese
make
toast.
tea.
Because again today we are going shopping for Hriday. आणि whatever sarees and outfits we got जे alteration ला दिलेले fall beading ला दिलेले, we got to go and collect them.
And tomorrow Hriday school is starting again.
We have to buy a raincoat and black sandals for him. So चला तर पाहू आजचा दिवस कसा जातो. हे आमचे कपडे जे रात्रभर इकडे सुकत होते. And now Dada prepping up Hriday.
Yeah, so listen, we need one ladi pav and one
Packet of bread.
packet of bread. A loaf of bread is the actual word. Now the thing is, you're doing it the first time with regard to the packet of bread. I want you to check it properly. You know, there is the best before date and everything. Check it. What today's date?
4th of June.
So usually best before is within 4 days. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So check the date where it is saying best before 8th June or 7th June is fine. If it is 6th June, 5th June, don't get that bread because then it's just like 2 days. Understood? So get bread which is best before either 7th June or 8th June and one ladi pav. This should come in that amount. And whatever the balance is, take the bill and tell me how much will remain. Take this. Bye.
And in case you don't find any packet for 7th or 8th June, then get whatever is there so that we can eat now. नहीं तो ऐसे ही आ जाएगा. Okay, I'll get the umbrella for you. Just wait. You know how to open the umbrella, right?
Tell na mama, what do you think? I'm a fool. Bol na mummy ko.
What do you think? I'm some fool or
Some fool.
Hey, see, now you
See, you proved it. Okay, wait.
what? Sometimes I do that for fun.
क्यों नहीं खुल रहा? हाँ. चलो.
Oh, hi Hriday.
Welcome.
Come.
Please come.
I hope he's got everything properly. There he is. There he is. It was raining also, no? Yeah. Mama will help you. Wait.
And Dada, since there was no expiry, easy take off 8th or 7th, I got 9th.
Okay, good. Good. You used your brain. Nice. Fantastic work. Oh, you're wet on the side. But it's okay. You're learning how to walk in the rains. Come, go wash your legs. What happened? The charger under है. Hriday, okay, 1 minute. Go wash your legs properly, huh? And I'll make my lemon tea. तो बनाया ही नहीं कुछ. क्या यार? क्या कर रही है? क्या कर रही है? क्या कर रही है? This is what we are having for breakfast. Hriday had got these pav, so amul butter and pav for me, and my lemon tea. This is baby's cheese toast sandwich, which she loves. Along with that, we have tea. Hriday also will be having cheese toast sandwich, and here is the cartoon. Chalo, let's start. Baby is busy making the mini vlog for the same.
खाऊन पिऊन झालं आणि आता क्लिनिंग सुरू आहे. सो बेबी अँड हृदय आर रिमूव्हिंग ऑल द क्लोथ्स.
Thank you.
Keep it in your room, Hriday. It's full of clothes today.
Chalo, done.
Thank you.
चेस्टरला अजून आत नाही घेतले.
म्हणून बघते तिकडे. त्याला माहिती दांडी आली तरी मी आली सपवतो ना मग.
हो, आंटीच्या झाडूच्या मागे मागे फिरतो.
मागे फिरत राहतो.
सो आज घरी पाणी नाही आहे बिकॉज आमचे टँक्स क्लीन होत आहेत. बेबी
Frustrating. No water.
no water, and since we are currently living on rent, we do not have any water tanks in our house either. So आता आम्ही दोघं चाललो आहे पाईप आणायला बिकॉज फॉर अ व्हेरी लॉंग टाईम वी वॉन्टेड टू बाय अ पाईप सो दॅट वी कॅन क्लीन द बॅल्कनी आणि ॲडिशनली ऑल्सो गिव अ बाथ टू चेस्टर अँड चार्ली कोको. एक ही व्लॉग में कितनी गरीबी दिखाएंगे.
Rainy season, yeah. It takes time for the two-wheelers to start. That's why you need to at least use it once in 2 days. We are using the Activa after a long time again. 3 days, 4 days we haven't used it. Now where are we going to get this?
We are just a store over here to the hardware to get pipe. So let's take you guys there.
So we need this pipe to clean the balcony. So we are buying this. There were other options too, but he was saying that is a bit hard. I like this green one, which is completely packed. But then he's like, it's too hard. You can't use it. So then there were other options.
और अच्छा वाला वो भी दिखाना. टोटी.
And of course we need a hose for it. Oh, it has multiple holes. You can keep on changing.
तो आप ये फिक्स करके दोगे एक साइड पे कि हम भी कर सकते हैं.
आप भी कर सकते हो.
इसका अटैचमेंट है और
हाँ, ये इधर लगेगा पाइप के ऊपर.
वो एक साइड पे आप लगा के और दूसरी साइड पे नॉर्मल टोटी लगाओगे ना.
With the pretty nails, you're going to carry this? Huh?
Heavy.
It's heavy, no? Chalo, go. Why are you acting drunk? Huh? Very heavy? Pipe. Now waiting for water to come in. अभी देखते कब आएगा पानी. टिप टिप बरसा पानी.
आया क्या?
स्लोली आ रही.
आइए आपका इंतजार है. आइए आपका इंतजार है. आया. स्लो रखो. सो तुम्ही सगळ्यांनी ऑलवेज पाहिलंय की हाऊ इझी इट इज टू बेद चेस्टर बट चाली कोको बेबी हाउ इज इट बेदिंग चाली कोको टू मच दे डोंट लिसन बेबी इज सो फ्यूरियस राइट नाउ आई विल गो एंड हेल्प हिम we have to shut the window because now baby is done today मी बेबीला सांगितलेलं चाली कोकोला आंघोळ घालायला he is enjoying cleaning the windows मूड मध्ये आलं तर सगळंच क्लिनिंग करतो पण तो मूड मध्ये आला पाहिजे एकदम प्रोफेशनल So since we do not have any parking here, baby will be in the car and Hriday and I will go and shop for Hriday. Come. Hey, look at this cutie. Come. Chalo, Hriday. Found a kids shop. I saw you take a turn. I'm standing here. जो वड़ा पाव वाला है ना उधर ही हूँ. So I am legit standing here and making some place for baby so that he can park the car. Let's see if he is able to. मी त्याला U-turn घेऊन बोलवलंय. Yeah, here he comes. Here I am. Yeah. Chalo, go. Go inside.
Looking good even in the this. Liked it?
निकाल दीजिए अंदर 1.5 इंच 2 इंच लूज भी हो जाएगा जब ये निकलेगा ना.
Now it's time to select his suit. Which color do you want? Any color. Give you yellow then.
इसका फोटो भी देख लीजिए जस्ट अभी कल ही आया. ब्लैक ब्लू कॉमन हो गया है ना तो सब आजकल ये नया मांगा है.
So many suits to select. What happened today? You're sitting. See yourself in the mirror there.
तो एक साल चले हुए साइज दिखाया. गो बैक साइड थोड़ा लंबा जाइए थोड़ा. इसके अंदर व्हाइट कॉमन शर्ट्स आएंगे.
Like it?
उसको 7 नंबर लगता है मैं 8 दिया. कलर देखो उठ के आ रहा है.
Like want this or black? तू बोल तो.
Baby, we'll keep black for our wedding. So let him wear something funky now. We'll go for that. मेरे को वो अच्छा लगा.
लंबे चाहिए.
Which one you like? You like this or you like the other one?
Look in the mirror.
ये भी थोड़ा यूनिक है ट्रेंडी है थोड़ा.
You tell which one did you like? No, you tell. I'm asking you. You tell me. You like that one?
Done.
Whatever you want it. You want the quadra or you want that pink one? So guys, we just shopped for Hriday. And this is a place called as Popo Kids in Dombivli. Too crowded. I don't know if they can hear me, guys. तेरे को और कुछ देने का है ना सामान?
I'll get a blouse and I have to take petticoat and all also. Let the car be parked here, no?
Okay,
Go
so
and buy.
we'll just keep these things in the car and then we'll walk it out there. Right now we are at a shoe shop to buy Hriday's school shoes. Rainy wear, of course. Sparks only is the best.
Yeah, Sparks is only good.
छोटा है क्या वो?
बराबर है ना?
एकदम परफेक्ट साइज है।
और इसमें और कोई कलर है?
नहीं, इसमें सिंगल कलर है, ब्लैक प्लास्टिक ब्लैक
अच्छा, और एक दिखा दो फिर।
So what colors you want?
कलर में दो।
घर पे पहनने के लिए तो चाहिए ना एक।
हाँ, तो मतलब अच्छा वाला ना?
हाँ, कलरफुल वाला भी एक
ये
सैंडल
आप दोनों पहन के देखो पहले।
I think give him Crocs, no? At home to wear. Let him have the differentiation.
आपके पास है क्रॉक्स इसके साइज का?
हाँ, मिल जाएगा।
दिखा दो।
ये 400 वाला बाटा का
Better? Better?
बेटा स्पार्क्स का आता है ना यूजुअली कलर।
मस्त है। Yeah, better. Sparks only is better.
क्रॉक्स
इसमें ब्लैक भी है।
इसमें भी ब्लैक है।
But black will not look good. It's like the same way.
ब्लैक ग्रीन आएगा, जिधर अभी ये कलर लिखा है ना, उधर ग्रीन कलर हो जाएगा।
नहीं, ये कलर मेरे को अच्छा लगा. Maybe this is a nice color, यार. Even I like it.
Whatever you want you take.
She just says that, but she should choose the suit color.
बाटा का रखो ना, बाटा का दूसरा कौन सा है?
I like this color also.
Baby, you also see? Baby's taking some formal shoes for himself.
Yeah, my formal shoes are gone for a toss, and usually after every season I change it. So I
But-
wanted to change, but then.
This time why you didn't change? Low on
अरे नहीं
budget.
हुआ. Then I got married, no, so पूरा budget हिल गया मेरा.
चल take good shoes. बजट हिल गया बोल बोल के स्केचर्स किसने लिए?
मैंने लिया ना. किसने बोला? तूने बोला.
चल now let's see some good shoes for baby also. साइज देख ले.
ये कौन सा नंबर है? नहीं, कोई 11 या 12.
ज़्यादा बारे में वैसे कलर नहीं आएगा,
बड़ा सबसे बड़ा.
ब्राउन कलर में आएगा।
जो अच्छा लगता है उसकी साइज ही नहीं मिलती. What happened baby?
Size is an issue for me, no?
ऐसा है क्या?
Take this color na, it's nice. And the sole is so good, you can dance in it also.
पर मेरा फिट होना चाहिए ना.
होएगा
Fit
फिर.
tight हो रहा
और बड़ा मिल जाएगा।
है. हाँ.
So how is it? Liking the shopping?
Looks good, but now let's see.
I like these brown ones. They look amazingly well, and the best part about that is they are not flat. उसका सोल अच्छा है. So I think you should go for it.
चलो, let's go for this one. Either. So is done. That also back to the secretary.
Yeah, taking. You want to hold everything today? Did they open the door for Dada? Go.
That's how it is with Thank you. Welcome. Thank you.
Come, Hriday.
Welcome. What do you want? Oh, welcome.
Kept everything, baby.
Yes, please be back over.
Huh?
Two things are there inside.
No. Shut. We'll go now.
Maybe.
अभी खाएंगे. चलो हृदय.
Now we are going to have our dinner. We found a place that is quite famous in Dombivli. It's called as the Gomantak. I'll show it to you guys. And that's the place. Let's go. You should have got a table for us, no baby? Come with it. Walk ahead. Looks beautiful. The ambience of this place is really nice. Bombay Rava Fry. It looks really good. Second in the list, we have gone for chicken Malwani tikka. Look at that.
Smells so good.
It tastes also good. And of course, you have the garnished onions. Let's hog. Baby is having the first piece. Oh, let's see which chutney is. It's good, no? Good, no? Is it spicy or something? No? Proper?
It's proper.
Proper? Awesome. Enjoy. How are you liking it? Too good? Okay, enjoy. Let me taste the soul curry. Really good.
Good?
Taste. Take his reaction.
One sip only.
Hi. How's it? Nice?
How is
Really
it?
good.
Yeah. Because then you'll not eat food, no? If you have that only.
So.
Butter naan and prawns masala.
I like the plate.
What?
I like the plate.
Steel plates. Best. Chill, baby. Taste and tell.
Let me just keep everything ready. You will take how much time to write the Let's taste roti,
Louder.
prawns masala.
Garam hai.
Too good. Too good.
Today, lemon you had. Nice.
Very tasty.
Chalo now, let's enjoy.
We have ordered for prawns biryani and the quantity looks way too much. I guess we're only going to have prawns and take the rice parcel.
For Chester. Let's see when it comes to my table.
Biryani hai na बहुत सी. Hriday will have. Don't give him baby. Baby, Hriday को मत दे. Just got done having our dinner and food amazing, tasty, maja aaya. Correct, no? So full, yeah. We wanted to have dessert. She's saying no to it. Can't help it today. Whatever the home minister says, we have to listen. So now we are heading. वही चाबी किधर है गाड़ी का?
There only.
है मेरे पास, मैंने लिया था. चलो, let's go to the car. So guys, this is where I end the vlog. We all had an amazing time shopping these past 2-3 days, and now it's time to go over for the haldi and the wedding. So I guess the next vlog we'll be showing that. And please continue supporting us as you always have been doing. So असा होता आमचा पूर्ण दिवस. हा व्हिडिओ आवडला असेल तर लाईक करा, कमेंट करा, शेअर करा आणि आमच्या चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा. बाय.